Hi, good afternoon. I'm Lonesome Cowboy. It's February the 19th and it's just 5 minutes past noon. It's a very fine day today, fine brisk winter day. I'm now in Hokkoku-en Park, named after Hideyoshi Hashiba. And that castle is that one where Hideyoshi used to live for 3 or 4 years in the midst of provincial war era. This is Hokkoku-en Park, and the lake over there is of course Biwa Lake, Lake Biwa. And I have the ticket, passport-like ticket for sightseeing. This one is very economical for being able to go around the city. So let's go. This is Kaiyodo Figure Museum. Kaiyodo Figure Museum. I'm not sure what kind of museum this is. It seems to me that this museum is for plastic models for dinosaurs or some heroes in anime. Ultraman. They say that the girl is called Lei Ayaha. I didn't know it. This is quite new to me. This is another corner of dinosaur by the artist of Shinobu Matsumura here. And also sea creatures. Or animals in Africa. Elephant, pumas, gorillas, and some imaginary creatures. You can see statue of Buddha, Ashura statue in Nara. Other Buddha's statue. Very realistic. Eleven-headed Kannon statue. And the artist is Takayuki Takeya. There are many kinds of tanks. Many kinds of tanks. I'm now in the midst of Kurokabe Square, and this is the center of this square. This building is Kurokabe Glass Museum, which used to be the first bank in Shiga Prefecture. First national bank in Shiga Prefecture. And this street is Hokkoku Street, which used to be very important, very strategically important roads in Edo period. This is Kurokabe Glass Museum. I just found the Kaleidoscope Museum. They say that the museum is the #1 in Japan about kaleidoscope. This is Old Hokkoku Street. And another name of this road is said to be Samurai's, or as you see, Samurai's Hiding Road. The signboard said that another name of this Hokkoku Street is Samurai's Hiding Road, because the road is right side or left side, irregularly bending. So the enemies must be very difficult to find the exact way when they attack. So this is Samurai's Hiding Way. This old lantern used to be the lighthouse for travelers traveling along this Hokkoku Street in Edo period. And it is said that the last revenge, assaulting an enemy, was held at around here, and that was the last revenge in Japanese history, the signboard said. This used to be the lighthouse for travelers in Edo period. This is the inside of the Andos clothing shop, which used to be very rich merchants in Edo period. And this Ando's family contributed a lot on the prosperity of this Nagahama city. One of the biggest merchants in old Nagahama. And talking about Nagahama, silk clothes is very famous from old days because our silk industry had been one of the most prosperous industries in Japan. I'm now taking the picture from the second floor of the Andos house. This is the Japanese garden. And we can see slight snow on the roof, but almost melted. This is the old merchant house of Andos. Thank you.